Return to Palestine was one of the plays staged during Napa International Theatre and Music Festival. The symbolic play was presented by the graduated actors from the Freedom Theatre Acting School. It depicts the story of Jed, a Palestinian born in America who decides to go to Palestine for the first time in his life. Wanting to know more about his people and identity, he finds out that reality is very different from what you see in the news. In a sarcastic, comic but also tragic style, the actors create the space, characters, and even the emotional spaces they live in. Speaking to News Pakistan TV, members of the cast held.
We bring the story, the Palestinian stories, and we collect it from Palestine, from the whole West Bank, and we bring it to our people in Pakistan to talk about our question in Palestine.
I'm really happy and enjoying my time here. We just finished our performance, Return to Palestine, with a very strong reaction from our people in Pakistan.
This is a story, live people Palestinian with the occupation. This is difficult life with the occupation.
It's a very great chance to be here today in Pakistan and perform a Palestinian play.
Return to Palestine, it's about the atmosphere in Palestine and about a lot of things which it's happened in our country.